Hey dear. I am tired to this coronavirus lockdown. I am getting bored.
Same here. Come here and seat.
Okay.
This lockdown is for our betterment only. So we should follow it.
Okay. That's right.
Let me show you something on my PC. We should learn different things on this lockdown.
Of course. Why not? Your things with your computer are really interesting. I am excited for it. Let's go.
So let me turn on my computer and see the magic.
Do it fast. I am excited to see it.
Check it out.
Welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC.
Wow. It was awesome. Your computer took your name after starting your computer.
Yes. It was cool. Wasn't it?
Please show me how you did it.
Okay, let me hand over my laptop to Chaitanya. He will teach us on his YouTube channel, Cratonik.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Chaitanya Shimpi, the owner, founder and CEO of Cratonik. As you saw in the last clip that your computer can take your name and boot up or startup. So in this video you are going to see the same, that how you can program your computer in order to take your name at boot up. So let's go. So friends, in order to do the same, we have to create a .vbs file which will be useful for us to perform this task, in which we will code a scripting language, and there will be only 4-line codes. So for this we have to create a notepad file. For this right click new and choose text document, else you can go to start and just type notepad and enter. And here you will code some lines which will be scripting language code, that is first of all option explicit. Do not forget to write as similar as I am typing, because if you just miss the capital or small letter it will cause problem for you. So just copy it as I am typing. Okay, open option explicit. Then we will create an object with keyword dim. The object name will be suppose SPV. Okay, and then we will set the object using createObject method, and we will pass SAPI.spVoice to it. This SAPI.spVoice, this is the this will accept the voices which are present in your Windows operating system. Okay, there are some voices present in there, so it will access them. Then we will pass speak to the object spv.speak, and here we will pass the statement which your computer should speak, like welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC. Okay, so this is the sentence which you can customize as you want. Let me save it. First of all, before saving, let me delete this file which I created last time. I will save it with Ctrl S, or else I will go to file and save as. Then on desktop I will create a file with name welcome. You can give here any name, but the extension should be .vbs. This extension should not change because this is the scripting language extension for this task. Okay, so .vbs. So this file will be created. Double click it.
Welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC.
Sorry for disturbance, dear. But I have one question. Can't we change the voice of computer speaker? Because, as I am a girl, I want to keep the voice of girl as well.
Yes, of course, you can. you can change the voice of the computer speaker. If you want the video of the same, you should have to make other viewers comment and subscribe to this video in order to get the video on the same topic.
Guys, if you need the same solution, please subscribe and comment below in order to get the video on the same topic.
If you are done with your questions, may I play the video?
Yes, you have listened that it is speaking our name. Suppose we change here hello sir, hello w, okay, file save, okay, or control S, then welcome.
Hello, sir.
See, you can customize this as you want. Okay, I will just put welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC and save. Let me text. Oh, I just missed this.
Welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC.
Okay, it is working well. So I will just close this. I will copy welcome, control C or else right click and copy. Then go to run command by Windows R, or else go to start and type run, enter. Then here you have to write a command that is shell :startup. This will redirect you to the startup folder which is present in your C programs. Okay, this is the file which I have copied last time. I will paste the copy file which I have created just here. Okay, I will paste it here. Let me test it once more time. Is it working well?
Welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC.
Of course it is. So I will close this file and just let me restart my PC now. Power and restart.
Welcome Chaitanya Shimpi to your PC.
It sounds cool, right? So let's go and make your friends surprised by it.
Thank you all.